In this video, we're going to take a look at an LED light bar by Auxbeam. What's up, people? Got another LED light bar review for you guys. Auxbeam was nice enough to send out their 12-inch slim LED light bar for review. So we're going to show you what's inside the box. Here's the light bar. Now this is their slimline LED light bar. It's 12-inch single row. And this one actually has the green halo effect to it, which I'll show you here in a little bit. See what else is in the box. It sends you a couple stickers. Here's a contact and support. And here's the instructions for wiring and mounting. Also inside the box, this looks like all the brackets to do the mounting. Couple L brackets. Looks like spacers. And then they give you some Allen bolts here, lock washers, and that's about it. Alright guys, so we'll cover some of the specs on this light bar. First, you can find this light bar on Amazon in spot or flood for $49.99. It's fairly new on Amazon right now because it's only got 2 reviews. Some of the specs on it. It is a 12-inch single row LED light bar. It's got 4 7-watt LED chips with a 30-degree wide spot beam pattern. The dimensions on this LED light bar are 12 inches by 2.6 inches by 3 inches. I'm going to show you the wiring on this. On this model you have 3 wires. Black is negative, yellow is going to be for your halo green, and then red is going to actually be for the LED light. I'll show you there's a couple different ways that you can mount these brackets. One of the ways is straight up and down. And then this way you can mount it. If you're mounted to the top of a vehicle like so, you get a little bit of pivot there. But this way won't allow you to move the bracket all the way back. So that's why on this side, with the 1 Allen bolt right there, you can move it all the way to the back if you want to mount it to a bumper. Alright guys, so what I want to do now is I'm going to hook up this LED light bar to a battery, but I'm just going to hook up the halo green rings here. Hopefully I can get a good view with the camera of how that looks. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like with just the halo green on there. I don't know how well you guys can see that on the camera. The Auxbeam actually lights up green. And then the rings around the halo, or the rings around the LED, light up green. Alright guys, we're in my backyard, and I got the light shining towards the back there. It's pretty dark, so you're not going to see. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this up to a power source, and we're going to see how bright the actual green halo is on this. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the LED. About 25 feet away. Alright guys, we're out in the spot where I always do the 100-yard throw test. I currently have the LED bar that's on top of my truck on right now. That building right there is 100 yards from my truck. We're going to power up the LED bar and we're going to see how well it performs with the 100-yard throw. There's the 12-inch spot. Seems to be lighting up the building pretty well. It's definitely concentrated. Those are 2 bay doors right there. So for a spot beam, it does pretty well. Lights up that building real good. Nice concentrated beam there. Take a look at this tree over here. That tree is a little bit farther away. Not much, but a little bit. We'll go back to the building. So not a problem lighting that up at all. What I'll do is I'll turn on my 32-inch LED light bar and we'll see how that compares. Here's my 32. It's a little bit concentrated more on the ground because it's lower. There's the 12-inch right next to it. When anything's closer, it's going to be a smaller spot beam. Then it spreads out a little bit more as you throw it down. There's a 32-inch. Comparing this to a 12-inch LED spot bar. So not bad for a 12-inch LED spot bar at all. This would be great on an ATV, side by side, something of that sort. Alright guys, it's kind of hard to tell, but I hooked up the green and the LED up. There's the spot beam. Down here you can see a little bit of green from the halo and the Auxbeam symbols. So there's your green halo effect, and there's your spot beam. Alright guys, so that's my review of the Auxbeam LED light bar. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscription button. If you found the video useful, hit that like button. I'm trying to put out videos every Tuesday, but if I can't, hit that bell icon so you guys get notified. Got some cool videos coming in the future, more LED bars. I got the Impala I'm still working on, and I got some tech coming out with some home security cameras. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.